Hey guys! Today I'll be showing you how to make those bots I make in those videos of NPC testing. So first you're going to want to get your player. I already have one. Scroll down in the Explorer. Click the arrow next to Start a Player. Then create a script and start a character script. Click local script. The reason we're doing it in start a character script is because we need the local player. So basically all we have to do is type in local, then player, then an equal sign. Then you just have to game.players, because that's where all of the players are. Then a dot, then a local player. That is why we turn it into a local script. Now you may be wondering, what does this line of code do? So all it does is basically just shorten up the game.players.local player. Because if we typed in player, it would know that since we localed player, it knows that this one word is equal to 3 words. Instead of having to do game.players.local player 1,000 times, we can just do it with one word. Next, after that, we're gonna want to do these things then and connect. Then after that, we're gonna want to put function. Then make sure to remove one of these because otherwise your code will error. Now how do we get the message? We just type in MSG between these brackets, then enter. I'm going to explain what this kind of code does. It detects when a player chats. Now we want to check if they're saying the message you want. If MSG equals 2 equals not 1. 2 equals is basically detecting if something is something, but 1 equal is setting it to something. Now you want to do these speech marks. This is basically a string. Now let's do hi for example. Then you type in then do. Now you want your character to say something. We are going to do game.chat Then you're going to want to do these things again and type in chat again. So we're going to want to reference this player, the bot. What we want to do is workspace, that's where the bot is, then player, that's the bot's name. Then instead of just leaving it blank, we're going to want to do head, because that's where all chat bubbles pop up. Then a comma. Then put in the speech marks again. Type in whatever you want it to say. For example, hello. Now we want the chat color. Ina. This is basically just a bunch of things which is in one thing. I can't explain it. Then chat color dot white, because that's what all of the chat's bubbles are. Now let's go test it out. As you can see, we spawn in, then we go up to the player, type in hi in the chat, and he responds back. Now that's all for today. If you have any questions or it not working, just comment down below. I turned on. Never mind. But we're done. See you in the next video.